Good day, Robert Farrell here. I'm going to share with you how to work smart online the right way, and this is how we're going to do it. So I'm going to share with you today my time-tested technique for working smart online. I've been in the online trenches for 25 years, since 1995. So I want to share with you how to stay out of trouble, work smart, not chase the shiny objects, not get sucked into a $997 90-minute webinar, waste of time. My training is free for selfish reasons, because if you're successful, I'm successful. So let me share with you how you could rent my turnkey system, 5 niche marketing proven websites that you can customize your own. Let me explain to you what I'm talking about. We're going to go over to one of my students, Becky. We're going to look at one of her websites. She has 5 niche marketing websites. She has a recipe website. She has a home gardening website, a fitness website, a makeup website, and a recipe coffee, tea, snack store website. Now you might say to yourself, how can I possibly make money off of a recipe website or a coffee, tea, snack website? Well, here's what you're not paying attention to. The idea here is we want to basically earn online, but I'm going to share with you how to earn online without selling. I gave a lecture in Phuket, Thailand 4 summers ago, and the first thing I did when I took the stage is I told people to stop selling. People don't want to be sold, they want to be engaged. So I'm going to share with you how to ride the coattails of the 4 top online companies, starting with the number 2 search engine, which is YouTube. For many of you that didn't know that, you thought it was Bing or you thought it was Yahoo. It's not. It's YouTube. So I'm going to share with you how to ride the coattails of YouTube, Amazon, Facebook, WordPress, and my free training. Now, again, I've been in the trenches since 1995. I've made tons of mistakes. But if you click this banner ad right here and go to my website, I will share with you how. Actually, you're not seeing the banner right there, but I'm going to put up a banner in just a second. So go to my website, and I will share with you how to rent 5 niche sites, turnkey websites built for you. You add your own content by using my software to bring in content from YouTube. So here's the idea. Most people fail at this because they're trying to sell. I don't want you to sell. I want you to engage. I want you to offer value. What do I mean by that? Well, if we go and look at Becky's web store for a second, you will see that, let's just look at Becky's recipe store. Now you might say to yourself, well, how do I make money with recipes? Well, you make money with recipes by riding the coattails of YouTube. Becky only curated these recipes from YouTube. She did not make these recipes. Now, if you want to make recipes, that's one thing. But this is going to drive traffic to your website. So you're not posting the recipes from YouTube to your social media. That's a disaster. You can't track it. You can't engage with people that way. You want to curate the recipes, the videos, the fitness videos, the review videos, et cetera, from YouTube based on keywords onto your WordPress site. Then you take that information and you put that on your social media. So I will share with you in just a second what I'm talking about. So the idea here is to completely work smart online and not reinvent the wheel. And that's what I'm good at. I want to keep you out of trouble. So as an example, I'm going to go back to Becky's website and share with you exactly what I'm talking about here. So let's say that Becky wanted to post this recipe on her website. Now, why would she do that? Well, it's going to engage people. People want to be engaged. Most of the things you find on social media, by the way, music, movies, recipes, fitness, workout, those are the 5 top niches. So as an example, Becky has those different niches. She has all those different websites. She actually has 7 websites, but I want to share with you a technique that you can make $150 a day Yes, you heard me right. I want to share with you that you can make $150 a day off of 5 niche sites that you can rent from me for $3.33 a day for all 5. $3.33 a day, you rent these from me, and I will share with you how you can make $150 a day minimum. Yes, I am serious, and please don't call me Shirley. So let's get back to Becky's website here. So if Becky wanted to now take this and post this onto her social media, it's very simple to do. Now, here's the mistake that most people make. Rather than post this to your profile page, which I highly suggest you don't do, I suggest you do put this on your page that's demographically conducive with that site. So as an example, if you're going to have a recipe website, you should have a recipe Facebook page, a recipe Instagram page, a recipe Twitter page, et cetera, et cetera. So that is Working Smart 101. So if she posts this onto her Facebook page, she should have a recipe page. If you're going to have a fitness website, have a fitness WordPress page. If you're going to have a do-it-yourself home repair website, have a do-it-yourself home repair Facebook page. It's Working Smart. So I would always engage people with a question. I'm not going to bore you with my typing, but I put something like, hey, have you tried these keto pleasant recipes before? Do you have your own keto recipe to share? And then hashtag something like hashtag keto recipes matter. So that is the meat and potatoes of how this is done. So what I want to share with you, if you go over to my website, nichebuilders.club, I will put a little banner here, nichebuilders.club, just how it's spelled. I will share with you how, give you a complete roadmap to working smart online, one step at a time. Now, here's the difference between me and all the other, I shouldn't call all the marketers out there scammers and spammers, but most of them are. I hate to say this. And it gives honest integrity people like Miles Beckler as an example. Google Miles Beckler, Google Neil Patel. Those are people with integrity, but they ruin it for everybody else that's trying to do the right thing. So what I want to share with you is I make absolutely 100% no guarantees of any income. How can I? I don't know what your work ethic is. I don't know how serious you are. But do you know why most people fail at this? Because they simply just give up. Their expectations were too high. They basically thought, hey, if I don't make $5,000 in the next 2 weeks, and this is nonsense, or if I can't pay my rent in a couple of weeks, well, that's not practical. You want to take this one step at a time, but I assure you, nothing happens if you choose to do nothing. So head over to my website, nichebuilders.club. I don't need your email address. I'm here to help you every step of the way, but I assure you nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. Now, this is financially doable for anybody. You're going to get 5 turnkey niche sites riding the coattails of YouTube, Amazon, Facebook, WordPress, and my free training video. So once you secure it and watch my videos, right now I don't even want to talk about money. I want to talk about you engaging with me and watching my step-by-step roadmap to make $150 a day and more. I have students of mine that make 6 figures a year. I have actually some students that earn 6 figures a month. Doesn't happen overnight. Now, again, if you think I'm nonsense, then just ignore everything I just said for the past 15 minutes or past 9 minutes. I'm here to sincerely help you for selfish reasons. So if you go to my website, nichebuilders.club, watch my videos 100% for free. I don't need your email address. I'm not going to put you into some waste of time webinar. I'm not going to endlessly spam you. Simply check out what I'm offering. That's all it is the O word, the opportunity. And if you decide after watching my videos that this is for you, let's take the next step. So again, the way that my premium software is set up, you get all the hosts, you get hosting, domain names, premium themes, premium plugins, and WordPress, everything you need to succeed. I pulled out all the stops, and you get 5 niche sites for $3.33 a day. In fact, once you sign up for my program, you don't have to pay again until 90 days later, 3 months later. You get 3 months. And then you basically rent those 5 websites from me again for $3.33 a day, which comes out to $2.99 a month every 3 months, $99 a month. Comes out to $20 a website, okay? But again, there's no other system like this on the market. I spent 1.5 years of my life perfecting this, and it works. If it didn't work, I wouldn't be offering it to you because I walk the walk and I talk the talk. So go check out my website. I'm here to help you every step of the way. But I 100% assure you nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. I'm going to keep you out of trouble. I'm going to stop you from chasing those nonsense shiny objects or the ads that go, hey, send me $10 and I'll show you how to make $1,000 by next Monday. If you fall for that, I have a bridge in Brooklyn I'd like to sell you. There are no guarantees, but here's what I will offer you. For those of you that are stuck with me now for going on 12 minutes, if you sign up for my program, and again, don't worry about signing up until after you watch my free roadmap, my blueprint to earning $150 a day or more. Now, this doesn't happen overnight. Maybe it takes you 6 weeks. Maybe it takes you 2 months. Maybe it takes you 3 months to work up to that. But here's my satisfaction offer for you. Again, I make no guarantee for income. But if you register for my 5 niche site turnkey system, and between the day you sign up and 3 months later, if you want out for any reason, maybe you hit the lottery, maybe you move to a part of the country that doesn't have Wi-Fi, maybe you were just elected city council, maybe you just are tired of working, period. I don't care. For any reason, the next 90 days, next 3 months after you sign up, if you decide that this is not for you, we part friends and I give you all your money back. You can't lose. So again, I'm here to help you every step of the way. There's nothing positive about being negative. Stay home, stay safe, stay positive. Carpe Diem 2020. Go check out nichebuilders.club and experience the real difference, that real world training and the tools. See, the difference is I'm going to give you free training, but then I'm going to give you the same tools I use. And I'm happy to say, since 1995, I have curated over 57,000 online students. Didn't happen overnight. Started with a handful, 20, 30. 30 became 100. And then when YouTube came around, it exploded. So come join a complete system of working smart online. And I got your back. I am here to help you. But again, I keep saying this, nothing will happen in your life if you choose to do nothing. Carpe Diem 2020. My name is Robert Farrell. Stay home, stay safe, and stay positive.